Adaptive innovation is an innovation that is about the discovery process itself. So we don't have clear goals to why we're innovating, but we're exploring new ideas. We're discovering what is possible. So this is very important for actually new ideas to emerge at all. Usually we think in the context of our systems that are already in place. So we see the current paradigm. But adaptation is really exploring on the ground new ideas that might become useful to the current services that the government is providing, or might also challenge those services or systems that are in place. So people really need to have the allowance and room from a bottom-up perspective to explore new ideas. And that is about adaptation. So those people working together closest to the people themselves can draw upon the signals coming from citizens' lives and innovate accordingly, or test out or experiment with things based on the feedback they get from the system itself. Some transformative things can emerge from that, but maybe some enhancement-oriented innovation can emerge from adaptation as well. So both are very much needed. And for example, different adaptive innovations have emerged in different countries. For example, in Canada, people by the side of their desk have been working on different apps to make their regulatory system more easily absorbable to people themselves. So to make apps that make it easy to understand, if I, for example, establish a company, what kind of regulation applies for me. So the problem switches from having too much regulation, but actually making it understandable for people. So the problem is not anymore about making regulation simple, but making it understandable and usable for the client itself. So that comes from adaptation.